What if I told you that the reason you're broke has nothing to do with how much money you earn? Most people think they need a higher salary to get rich, but the truth is, it's not what you earn, it's what you do with it. In this video, I'm going to expose the 5 deadly money mistakes that are silently destroying your financial future and exactly how to fix each one. Welcome back. If you're new here, this channel is all about helping everyday people build real wealth from scratch. Make sure you stick till the end, because mistake number 5 is the one almost nobody talks about, and it could be costing you thousands every single year. The first and most common mistake is having no budget. Most people have no idea where their money goes every month. You earn, you spend, and by the 25th, it's all gone. Sound familiar? Here's the fix. Use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to need, rent, food, bills. 30% goes to want, entertainment, eating out, and 20% goes straight to savings or investment. No exceptions. Even if you save just $50 a month, that habit will change your life over time. Credit cards are one of the biggest wealth killers for the middle class. People swipe without thinking, and then they're stuck paying 20 to 30% interest every month. You're literally paying the bank to be poor. The fix: if you use a credit card, pay the full balance every single month. Never carry a balance. If you can't do that, cut it up. Use a debit card instead. Debt with high interest is a trap designed to keep you working forever. Here's a fact that will blow your mind. If you invest just $200 a month starting at age 25, and it grows at an average of 10% per year, by age 60, you'll have over $650,000. But if you wait until 35 to start, you'll only have around $230,000. Same money, completely different result. That's the power of compound interest. The fix is simple. Start today. Even if it's $10 or $20, use apps like index funds, ETFs, or platforms like Vanguard or Fidelity. Timing the market beats timing the market every single time. Every time people get a raise or a bonus, what do? They upgrade their car. They move to a bigger apartment. They buy more stuff. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it's why most people never build wealth, no matter how much they earn. The fix: when your income increases, keep your expenses the same and invest the difference. Live below your means, not at your means. Rich people don't look rich. They invest quietly and let their money grow in the background. This is the one nobody talks about. The best investment you will ever make is in your own skills and knowledge. A course, a book, a certification. These things can 10 times your income in ways that no stock ever will. The fix: dedicate at least 5% of your income to personal development every month. Read books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad, The Psychology of Money, or I Will Teach You to Be Rich. Learn a high-income skill. Copywriting, coding, digital marketing. Your brain is your greatest asset. So there you have it, the 5 money mistakes that are keeping millions of people broke. Budget your money. Destroy your debt. Start investing early. Stop inflating your lifestyle. And never stop learning. Do these 5 things consistently, and your financial life will look completely different in just 2 to 3 years. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe, because every week I share practical tips to help you build real wealth. See you in the next one.